Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete all YouTube offline download at once. If you go to your downloads and you have many of them and you want to delete all of them at the same time, this is how to do it. Go to your settings and navigate to background and downloads. At the bottom you're going to see where it says delete downloads. Now click on delete. It's going to wipe all your downloaded offline videos. Now if you go back and check, you can see that all of them has been deleted. So that's how you delete all your offline downloads on YouTube. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.